Alright guys, so just to let you know, my upload is very slow. It's actually going surprisingly fast. But yeah, right now we're back, and I noticed in the last video, and the first video, that we had a problem with the face cam. It was blocking you from seeing the interface. So I'm gonna put you guys down there. So yeah. Let's go ahead and do this. So we'll open Paint back up. We can go ahead and save this in our other folder as cab that we can.
What kind of elevator is that?
I'm drawing a Mitsubishi elevator. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and save that slide now. So in this episode, we will be covering the door movements of the elevator doors. So we want to make the elevator doors move. So what we'll do is we'll copy the door sensor. Then set your fill on a rectangle to solid color. Set color 1 to black and color 2 to light gray. Then draw a little rectangle like that. And then paste in your door sensor. Oop. Make sure to turn off transparent selection for a second, otherwise this will not paste correctly. For this whole entirety, go ahead and keep transparent selection on. I mean off. Might sound weird, but trust me, we need it that way. Otherwise, it won't work. So pretty much what we want to do is we want to something funny is that I'm 11 years old, but I still like to watch Paw Patrol. It's kind of funny. Oh, I hear him. 13. This one should fill the whole thing in. So I'm in the steak on. That's better. Hi, Dad. You feeling a bit better now? Are you feeling a bit better now?
Huh?
Are you feeling a bit better now? What?
Yeah.
You feeling a bit better now?
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, see.
Hi.
Hello? My stomach hurts, Dad.
I'm hurting.
What?
I'm hurting too. Stop hurting.
Am I gonna go?
Oh.
So, Dad,
Come on, we're up.
wow, you are good at that game. Then we want to copy the first slide. And the next number. What?
Oh, yeah, we are. Sorry.
What?
So, Dad,
Hey, stop! Yes.
if your stomach ever feels better, do you want to go downtown?
I don't know what everybody else want to do.
That's what I wanted to do.
I didn't
Yeah.
think you wanted to go downtown, so.
It's up to you, Dad.
Is everybody else okay with it?
Yeah, but if you don't want to go downtown and your stomach hurts,
Drew wants.
Yeah, I want to.
yeah, I want to also.
Um,
But is your stomach still hurting?
Oh,
But how much?
I don't know. Well, come on.
I
Okay,
don't
'cause
care. I mean, it would have been better if we would have known before. It's like 6:15 already.
Yeah.
I have an idea.
What?
We could go eat down in Short North by the convention center. Then I can ride some elevators. Cause
I don't feel like being out. I got it. We got stuff to do all day tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm kind of tired.
so we're not gonna go downtown.
I don't know. Hmm.
I don't think I'm up for a real long trip to
Yeah.
downtown.
I'm not really.
Fine,
I'm sorry.
that's fine. Well, that's why I asked you. I asked if you were okay with it.
No, yeah. I thought about it more. I was like,
All right, guys. So now what we want to do is, now that we've got that, what we want to do is we want to go into our files here, and we want to go to slideshow, and we want to count how many slides we have until our door starts opening. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 11. And 12 we want to rename.
So what do you want to do for dinner?
Okay, we want to rename 15.
Holy cow! Is today the 19th?
Yeah.
I think so. What?
I had to pay our credit card bill.
Oh, okay.
I'm filming, by the way.
It's okay. I didn't believe you.
Why is that matter if you film me? If she's such a just
No, I don't do.
Shh.
Abby!
We'll name
Get in the
it
car.
150.
Yeah.
And
You
rename
can
it-
go to Mercy Diner. That was really good when I went.
Nah, I'm not in the mood for it tonight.
I'm surprised that I liked it.
The flights don't even there anymore.
Do that.
There's literally, it's better than Blystone.
Yeah, but that's a little nicer inside. Yeah, I don't want to take forever.
How do you know it takes?
You told me to forever.
Oh yeah, because they didn't get her order and they forgot it. Well, I mean, like, she put it in the computer, and the computer reception didn't go to the kitchen
Gotcha.
well, and they didn't get her order.
Gotcha.
But
Yeah. So, what do you think?
I guess we have license then.
I don't know. I don't care.
Or the golf course.
Maybe golf course.
I want the golf course. I
Golf
like
course is fine with me.
I don't want to go to the golf course.
Yeah, I'm not time for the golf
Dang
course.
it.
But,
I really wanted to go.
License fine.
we can try to go to Brewdog. It's pretty busy.
Yeah, we try that. I don't know. With it being Good Friday, it probably is busy. Oh my gosh, 256 was busy all day today.
Was it?
You couldn't go anywhere
Wow.
because people were off. It was
Yeah.
ridiculous.
You ever been take a day off? I had like last month off, so I couldn't take it.
All right.
We gotta go for it.
Yeah. Everybody called off or had it off at our office too. It was like, for the longest time it was John, Robin, and Dawn. And then John left. And it was Robin, Dawn.
So Brewdog?
Or what?
I do not like Blystone.
There. Alright, so we drew the door movements, and I gotta go now, so that's gonna be it for this one.